Hey there, Debbie Williams here. Got a question for you. Do you have stubborn belly fat? You know, that extra weight around your midsection that just won't budge no matter how many crunches you do or salads you eat? Well, I got news for you. Your frustration over the years may very well be because of your liver. Now, you might be wondering, what does my liver have to do with my waistline? Well, let me break it down for you. Your liver is like the unsung hero in your body. It's working 24/7 to detoxify your blood, produce essential proteins, and regulate your metabolism. But when your liver gets overwhelmed, it can't do its job properly. And guess what happens then? You start packing on pounds, especially around your belly. Now, here's the science behind it. When your liver is overloaded with toxins, it can't produce fat effectively. Instead of breaking down fat for energy, your liver starts storing it. And where does it store this extra fat? You guessed it, right around your midsection. But it gets worse. An overwhelmed liver also messes with your hormones. It can lead to insulin resistance, which makes your body store even more fat. It can disrupt your thyroid function, slowing down your metabolism, and it can even increase production of stress hormones like cortisol, which, you guessed it, causes more belly fat. Now you might be thinking, but I eat healthy, I exercise. How could my liver be the problem? Well, here's the thing. In our modern world, our livers are under constant attack. Processed foods, environmental toxins, stress, certain medications, they all put an extra strain on this hard-working organ. But here's the good news. Yes, I have good news. Your liver is incredibly resilient. In fact, it's the only organ in your body that can regenerate itself. Science has shown that you can reset your liver in just 7 days. And I have done it and helped hundreds do it time and time again. All it takes is 7 days to start turning your health and your waistline around. Now, look, I'm teaching a class in a few days. Why not come through? It's free. And I know you'll learn some amazing stuff, things that you never heard before. So if you want to hear some eye-opening stuff, come be a part of this session. I'll reveal everything you need to know about liver health and how it's connected to your weight. And here's some things you're going to learn. Why traditional diets fail when your liver is overloaded. The surprising signs of a stressed liver. Hint, it's not just in your belly. How to eat to support liver and boost your metabolism, and simple lifestyle changes that can have a big impact on liver health. But I'm not going to just give you the information. I'm also going to give you action steps. And at the end of this masterclass, you'll have an opportunity to join me and others in a 7-day liver cleanse challenge. Now, this isn't just another diet plan. It's a scientifically backed approach to rejuvenate your liver and kickstart your weight loss journey. So imagine waking up after just 1 week of feeling lighter, more energized, and seeing a noticeable difference in your waistline. That's the power of a healthy liver. So don't just take my word for it. There are thousands of people who have written testimonials for me, about me. And they've reported that they've lost weight, they've improved their energy, their skin cleared up, overall well-being was amazing in just 1 week. So you've tried everything else. Now it's time to get to the root of your problem. Your liver has been waiting for this moment. Are you ready to give it the love and care it needs? So come on, go sign up now for my free liver cleanse masterclass. It's free. It's time to stop fighting your body and start working with it. I'll see you there.